Kumusta kapatid? It's Grit J sharing my journey one day at a time.
By the way, shoe update. I think I'm a tiptoe runner. So kung mapansin nyo, yung pudpud niya nandito. Wala sa heel. Yun lang.
Alright, cool down. Unfortunately, dapat naglalakad ako another kilometer, at least 1.2 kilometers. Kaso, if you can see, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Let's check. Ayan, sobrang lakas talaga ng ulan. So, ayun, inabot rin ako ng ulan yung last lap. Pero okay lang, rain or shine naman tayo kung tumakbo. So, today's program is Monday, easy aerobic, 6 kilometers, 140 to 145 beats per minute HR. So, heart rate natin, 140, 145. And summary ng tulog ko last night and until now, I slept around 12, nagising ako ng 4. Nag-asikaso ako ng bata and nakatulog ulit ako around 5 a.m. Then nagising na ako 8:30. Nag-prepare kami. We went to McDonald's para sa kiddie crew ng bata and I think I drank iced coffee. And then I had lunch. First meal ko for the day, I had it 1 p.m. So yan. Ngayon naman, tignan natin yung ating resulta in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay, so 6 kilometers, average heart rate 152 HR, time is 58.50 minutes, average pace 948 per kilometer, total calories 397. Tingnan natin yung per laps ko ha. 1 year into running, alam ko na yung aking zone 2, yung easy and yung hard run. Usually ang zone 2 ko is, sa breathing ko na lang chine-check 3 steps inhale, 3 steps exhale. So yan ang aking zone 2. And yung easy ko is around 2 steps inhale, 2 steps exhale. Minsan it's 3, so hindi siya consistent. Pero easy pa rin, as in easy pa rin. That's what I did today. And I also stopped looking at my watch consistently dahil medyo weird kasi talaga yung heart rate bago-bago siya. Like ngayon, sobrang easy yung run ko, pero yung heart rate ko, yan, you can see 150. Sa isip ko kanina, I am around 140 kasi alam ko yung katawan ko when it's zone 2. Pero ngayon, for some reason, nasa 150 siya. And ito, first lap, dito kasi sa Azuela, I made a route na isang ikot is exactly 2 kilometers. So, 6 kilometers is 3 ikot. So, itong aking first ikot, 1 and 2 kilometers, 9 and 10 minutes per kilometer. Wala tayong comparison ng aking zone 2. So, ito yung aking first log comparison para sa siguro sa taon na ito. It wasn't hard, it's easy, and leg check, walang masakit, calcs, wala, nothing. It was a really easy run. Nakakalungkot lang kasi wala akong 1 kilometer cool down walk and hindi rin ako nakapag-stretch, siguro sa bahay lang. Ang lakas talaga ng ulan. So today is Monday, tomorrow iba naman, and it'll be interesting kasi intervals tayo. So I guess that's it for today. Maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, guys. See you guys on the next one.